Article 243Z of the Indian Constitution is related to cooperative societies and was introduced as part of the 97th Constitutional Amendment Act, 2011. This amendment added a new Part 9B to the Constitution, specifically to provide for the establishment and regulation of cooperative societies. Key points of Article 243Z. Continuance of existing laws. It states that if there was any existing law related to cooperative societies in a state before the commencement of the 97th Amendment Act, which was enacted in 2011, such laws will remain in force for a certain period even if they are inconsistent with the new provisions introduced in Part 9B. Inconsistency with new provisions. If any part of the pre-existing laws is inconsistent with the new provisions introduced by the 97th Amendment, like new rules for governance and administration of cooperative societies, those provisions of the old laws are temporarily allowed to continue. Time limit. The existing laws that are inconsistent with the new provisions can remain in force for up to 1 year from the date the 97th Amendment came into effect, or until they are amended or repealed by the state legislature or other competent authority, whichever is earlier. Effect of amendment. After 1 year from the commencement of the 97th Amendment, if no changes are made by the state legislature, the new provisions in Part 9B will override any inconsistent provisions of the old laws. Purpose. This provision ensures a smooth transition from the old laws governing cooperative societies to the new framework provided by the 97th Amendment, giving the state legislatures time to amend or repeal any inconsistent laws within a year. If the state fails to act within this period, the new constitutional provisions automatically take precedence. The Constitution of India. Part 9B. The Cooperative Societies. Article 243Z. Continuance of existing laws. Notwithstanding anything in this part, any provision of any law relating to cooperative societies in force in a state immediately before the commencement of the Constitution, 97th Amendment, Act, 2011, which is inconsistent with the provisions of this part, shall continue to be in force until amended or repealed by a competent legislature or other competent authority or until the expiration of 1 year from such commencement, whichever is less.